वास्को पुलिशेन सोमारा 10,000 मोलाच्या 100 ग्राम गांजा सयत 32 वर्साच्या तरणाट्याक अटक केल्या। न्यू वाडेच्या सुभाषचंद्र यादव ह्या रावप्याक गांजा सयत पुलिशेर मांगोर हिल हांगसर अटक केल्ली, अशी माहिती मुरगांवची डीवायएसपी सुनीता सावंत हिणे माहिती दिल्या। आर्डिक्स गोवा खातीर वास्कोच्यान जॉन डिसिल्वा।
एक रिलायबल इन्फॉर्मेशन आयले की एकल्याकडे ड्रग आसा म्हणून मंगोर हिल थंयसर BSNL टावरा कडेन. So as per the description given, after verifying the information, we laid a trap and he conducted a raid. Raid has been conducted by PSI Vikas Dekar of Vasco Police Station and one Subhash Chandra Yadav, age 32 years. He is a resident of New Wade Vasco, native of Uttar Pradesh. He has been caught with 100 grams of ganja worth rupees 10,000. We have done all the required procedure as per law and we have taken him in custody and arrested. Offence has been registered at Vasco Police Station against him.